In this video, we can see how to paint a realistic eggplant. The sketch needed for this painting is shown here. The reference picture for this painting is given here and its link is available in the description. First, I start by wetting the skin part of the eggplant, and I am also ready with the pigment violet and Indian yellow. If you don't have Indian yellow, you can use light orange or by mixing orange color with little amount of yellow. I'm using Indian yellow to paint the bottom of the eggplant. As the background is going to be painted with Indian yellow color, there will be some reflection of that color on the eggplant. So I'm giving this Indian yellow color as the base layer for this eggplant. Next, I mixed violet with a little amount of Indian yellow to paint the skin of the eggplant. I'm using wet on wet technique to paint the eggplant. While painting an object, we have to check the highlight part and the dark part of the object in our reference photo. And we should try to bring that highlight spot and that dark spot in our painting. I'm leaving some white here for the highlight spot, and I paint over the Indian yellow which is at the bottom of the eggplant. To the base layer, which is painted using Indian yellow, I'm applying the violet color. Still, you can see the base layer visible in this painting. When you look at the highlight spot area, there is a direct transition of dark color to white. I want the transition of the color to be even, so I apply a diluted form of violet color to that area, so there is even transition of color from dark to white. Next, using Indian yellow, I paint the stem part of the eggplant. This Indian yellow acts as a base layer over which we are going to paint with emerald green, which gives a beautiful light green. Instead of this step, you can mix the Indian yellow with emerald green directly on the palette and then you can apply it on the paper. But I tried first applying the base layer of Indian yellow, which is then followed by applying emerald green. I mixed emerald green with Indian yellow in thick consistency and applied the lines over the stem of the eggplant. After painting the eggplant, I paint the background for the eggplant. I'm using Indian yellow to paint the background. You can leave the background like this incomplete, or you can fill all the white areas. Also, now using a wet brush, I'm smoothing the hard edges of the background. At last, we are going to add the shadow of the eggplant using the mix of violet with Indian yellow. I hope that this video is useful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.